Yeah, go.
Don't calm shit.
I'm texting.
Oh, he's out.
I'll hit Ricky.
Ricky, what are you talking about? That wasn't me.
I was like, oh, okay, you want to play kicks? Who the hell fights in pink shorts?
A gay boy.
Ooh.
Oh, shit.
That left hand is not vicious.
It is. You can't see it.
It's the state of Texas pounding you.
You're more focused on the right hand and you get to the fucking left.
Don't use the grenade.
Watch that left hand.
Get away from the pit of death. You will meet your maker. Meet your maker.
Ooh.
He's teasing you.